Oh, this table right here, they not hungry at all. Y'all can have their food. They not hungry over here. They not hungry. Who's hungry in here? Who's ready to eat some food? Who's ready to give their food to me? Oh, all y'all gonna give me my... All right, here we go. The last and final test. We're gonna do this one time, and one time very loud. This is the final test. I'm gonna say a name, and I want everybody to scream. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom! Oh, come on, y'all can't do that. Linda and Adley is coming inside right now. That's not good enough. I'm sorry, I lied. That's not the last one. Come on, one more time. I need everybody to be loud like y'all ready to eat. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, scream! Oh my goodness. You like that one, DJ? That was a good one? You sure that was a good one? All right. Here we go. Let's get the music playing. Get the music up loud. Here we go. We're going to start with the mother of the groom and the cousin of the groom. Everybody make some noise for Adley, Jesse, and Alex Perrin. Come on, y'all got to make more noise than that. Come on, keep making some noise. Come on. Here we go. The mother and the father of the bride. We got Yolan Kajis and Sinai Kajis. Yeah, come on, make some noise. Come on, clap. Here we go. All right, now we're gonna go with the kids, the bridal kids. Here we go. We got Josiah, Alicia, Elijah, Jayla, Janaya. Come on, y'all gotta make some noise. Emmanuel, Jalika. Y'all losing me. We need some noise. Come on, make some noise. Make some noise. Come on, clap. I need some rap. Come on. I'm not calling the next person, so we get some claps in here. Clap. I'm looking for my first table to eat. Who's ready to eat? Come on, I need to see some clapping. Is everybody ready for the bridesmaids? Come on, let me hear you make some noise. Is everybody ready for the bridesmaids? Here we go. We got Nakisha, Shalonda, Vicky, Ruby, Timo, and Tania. Lit. And in the air. Come on, clap. Uh-oh. Here we go. Hey, where my boys at? We got my boys coming in. We got the party in the groove. Hey, if you a man, I want to hear some barking. Let me hear woo. Oh, come on. Where my gentlemen at? I want to hear some woo. Come on. Woo. Hey, we got a groove party. We got Noah, Greg, Mika, Robbie, Lex, and Tina! Make some noise now! Make some go Mika! Hey! All right, here we go. All right, we got the best man, and we got the maid of honor. We're gonna go ahead and start with. Is everybody ready? No? Where everybody at? Y'all not ready to eat. They're not ready to eat. Come on, y'all ready? Here we go. We're gonna start off with Sam and Vanessa. Ooh, come on. Go Sam. Let me hear you. Go Sam. Go Vanessa. Woo. Hey. T-Code. Who's next? Here we go. Here we go. Y'all gotta make some noise. I need some people to make some noise. Where are people at? I need some people to make some noise. Here we go. All right. Ready? Ready? We got G Martin. We got Jasmine. Come on. Make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, take it off. Take the jacket off. Hey, hey. Okay, here we go. Here we go. The number one best man. I need everybody to make some noise right now. Make some noise. Come on now. I need everybody to make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. We're not gonna eat. We're not gonna eat. No, we're not gonna eat until we make some noise. I need everybody to make some noise right now. Everybody make some noise for Moses and Jacob. Come on, yeah. Oh, go Gregna, 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 go Moses, go Moses, go Moses, go Moses, go Moses. All right, here we go. Hold on, cut the music for this one. Listen, everybody. I want everybody to listen right here. There's no reason why everybody shouldn't be on their feet at this moment because y'all know who's about to step into the building right now. Come on, everybody should be making some noise right now. I want to hear everybody make some noise before I call them out because they specifically told me they're trying to be lit. Come on, everybody, on the count of 3. When I say this name, come on now. Everybody not ready. Everybody's not ready.
Ready for that? You got the song? Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. On the count of 3, I want everybody to make some noise. Also, on the count of 3, I want them doors to open up because y'all already know who we calling out at this moment. Here we go. And 1, 2. Y'all better be ready. Yeah, I'm starting over. Y'all not ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Everybody make some noise for the new Go. Sam, make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. We lit. 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 Yeah. Uh-oh, Sammy. Uh-oh, Sammy. Uh-oh, Sammy. Uh-oh, Sammy. Uh-oh, Sammy. Uh-oh, Sammy. Make some room. Make some room. Get with it. Get with it. Come on, Linda. Yeah. All right, here we go. At this moment, I want everybody to make some room because we're about to get the first dance of the evening. I want the brides and the grooms to move to the side. Move to the side so we can get the first dance of the evening. Everybody clap it up right now for the new Mr. and Mrs. Hadley Galumet.
Yes, if everyone can have their seats, please. Have your seats.
Here we go. For the first dance of the evening, we need everybody to move out the way. Everybody get out the way. This is the moment where everybody should have their phones out on flash. I need to see everybody's cell phone out for the first dance of the evening. Come on, I need to see some cell phones. All right, DJ. Everybody say, "Oh, there we go, there we go."
Papi, donne-moi 2 secondes pour me faire oui on demande. Pardon si ouais m'a tremblé. C'est parce que mon frère m'a stressé. Première fois ça arrivait que moi si persuadé que yon décret de si dans les vacances. Moi déjà décidé pas de mon cadeau pour responsabilité. Je veux l'aimer de votre fille parce qu'elle est complète de la vie. We're complète de ma make sure that she's always happy. Laisse-nous fonder un foyer. Pour manger pas nous yon bébé. Pour les sembler avec, pas de maison avec. Votre qualité qui existe la mienne. Je veux que ta princesse devienne ma maîtresse. Pour être responsable.
Can I get everybody to clap right now? Clap, come on, let me get everybody to clap it up for the new Mr. and Mrs. Sammy Adley. Sammy Adley Galliman. And at this moment, we're going to go ahead and start with the program. And I'm going to ask my man JR to come up here to start off with a word of prayer.
Good evening, everyone. Let us thank God first for being here. Please bow your head as you pray. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much. Merci pour grâce. Ta bénédiction est en abondance sur nous ce soir. Avec Linda, avec Samy, ces petits tout yo la même. Demandons bénédiction venir pour eux-mêmes, imprégner, et puis voyez l'Esprit Saint en pareil. Alors que nous pourrons manger, demandons au Seigneur que l'Esprit Saint est capable de bénir nous. Entraînons manger ça, faire venir une résistance là avec nous. Alors que Linda avec Samy va commencer à peupler, puis commencer à faire petit monde pour nous tout le pays. Pardonnez-nous, dirigez-nous, nous prions pour ça au nom de Jésus.
Come on, can I get a big amen for that? Amen? Come on, amen? Amen? All right. So just to give y'all an introduction of the evening, this is how everything is going to go down. We're going to go ahead and play some games. Not too many games, because I know all of us is hungry. I know, yeah, whatever. We're hungry. We're gonna play some games first, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the Father's speech. I need y'all to hear the Father's speech before y'all eat. We're going to hear the Father's speech,